Hey there and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Football season is upon us right now, and it means it's time to start making football foods. Well, I'm doing this in collaboration with my friend Ian on his channel, Ian Good. And for every Dallas Cowboys game, yes, that is his team, and they're pretty good, he is going to be making a special football party food. So I thought I'd join in the celebration as well. And I know some of my other friends are joining in, like Jerri Ellen from Cooking with Neighbors. So today I'm gonna make a special football food. I'm making a dip. I'm making a Kielbasa dip. Growing up, I never called it Kielbasa. I always thought it was Kielbasa. What do you call it? Well, we're gonna be making it today, Kielbasa dip. Grab your kielbasa, let's start chopping. And chop up some green onions. Bowl, cream cheese. Microwave it for 45 seconds. Next we need a half a cup of sour cream. 1/3 cup of milk. A tablespoon of mayonnaise. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Stir it up. Next comes the kielbasa and a 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese and most of those onions. Mix it well. Microwave it on high between 2 and 3 minutes, stirring once. Sprinkle on remaining green onions. Serve with crackers and enjoy. Ooh, this dip looks good. Let's dig in. Cheesy and meaty. Hot kielbasa dip will be the hit of your football party. Now you'll have to go check out my friends' channels. What do they have cooked up? Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. What's a football player's favorite type of tea? Penalty!